Hi sneaker lovers, welcome back to Shoe Dog Review. Finally the 500s after 4 cancellations. How ridiculous, right? From Yeezy Supply. 4 cancellations, finally they turn up. So let's have a look. Oops, I cut the box. Classic. Oops. I love that fresh, crisp, out of the box feel, you know. The facing's really straight. Oh, love that. Excellent. Made in India. Wow, that means all the reps here. I've got made in China written in theirs. Funny, actually, you know what? I made some really good leather shoes in India. They're really, really good at leather stuff. And you see, it's proper leather shoe, isn't it? So that's why. Awesome. Anyway, there we go. Nice, crisp, fresh out of the box. Look at this 3M. See if it actually works. Just turn the lights off a minute. Oh, there we go. There we go. You can see it now. So tongue, piping. Yeah. Oh, there we are. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, get the lights on. I tell you what, I love that fresh out of the. I do. You know, the facings are straight. They've not laced it properly. They never do, right? They come off the last, and you know, no, it's not been deformed. You know, no feet have been inside it, and it's just that clean shape. Really, really lovely. We've got these in so we can do a comparison. Of course, you know. I mean, I love that shaggy suede. Excellent. Beautiful. Interesting how suppressed that is. You know that bit there, right? A lot of the reps is really sharp. I think they've overdone it in the mold. It's too clear. But it's interesting how suppressed that is. And the colours. I wonder if they got all the colours right, because you know that actually the rubber's a little bit green. The lycra lining and the rubber seem to match, but then the upper is like a colder grey. Quite chalky actually. Well, these are kind of useless on their own. They, you know, obviously I need to put them next to the reps, but and do a proper photo comparison and stuff like that. But I just thought, you know, let you have a look. They've sold out now online. They've all gone. I mean, I've got a friend who bought 20 pairs. He's probably going to get stuck with them. 50 pairs. Oh God. Why did he buy so many? Anyway, look, well, you know, I mean, the retail's not that expensive, but nevertheless, I think it's going to be reps out there for like, you know, 120, 140, 160, whatever. So, you know, for some, if they can't get a hold of a pair, it's still going to happen, isn't it? Look how clean it is on the inside. Just look how clean that is. I love it, you know. Oh. So look at that footbed. Nice and crispy and fresh and stiff. Fresh out of the box. Lovely. Okay, join me soon, guys. I'll do a proper comparison and I'll do the photo comparisons. Thanks for joining me at Shoe Dog Review. Have a nice weekend. Bye.